Hello guys! So in this video, tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-fund request gamit yung online banking. So click natin any BDO account, then account name, so GPRS, Unified, then account number, so attach ko mamaya dito. Then kung magkano yung ipa-fund mo, so 28,300. Then select from. Okay, then notes is name mo and reg code. Okay, then click mo lang reg code. Okay, then click send, then confirm. Okay, so wait natin yung resibo. So okay, so yan, screenshot natin yan. After my screenshot, so punta tayo sa ating unified account. So ayan, so click natin cash in, is online banking, then click BDO, then click verify, then reference number. So reference number, so attach ko mamaya dito. Then amount. Okay, date kung kailan trinansact. Then time kung kailan din trinansact. Then upload a payment, yung screenshot mo kanina. Okay, then that, so submit for verification. So yan po yung lalabas na after pag-send. So click mo lang yan, okay. Okay, so wait mo yan ng ilang minutes bago pumasok sa account mo. Ayan, pumasok na po yung ating fina-fund sa ating system. Okay, fund transfer. So, yun lang po yung process paano mag-fund request gamit yung online banking ng BDO. Thank you so much. Happy earning po sa lahat.